Hello guys, welcome to my channel at Unique Tech. Hope everybody is well. So guys, today I'll talk about a project. The project name is Lepasa. I am already on this page, on the front page of this Lepasa project. Here you can see that Lepasa project. So I'll tell you today about this Lepasa project. So what is Lepasa? Lepasa is a 3D game NFT based project, and here you can see the some NFT of this project. Here you can see the some horse NFT for on this project. So Lepasa collect fine art, 3D game ready NFTs and experience the adventures of owning, no just JPEGs. So guys, there it's a NFT based project, it's a gaming based product. So the project future is looking very bright because all of the gaming project is working fine right now. Here you can see that fine art 3D game ready NFTs, revolutionary community driven NFT art project with a vision to develop a complete ecosystem for the artists, gamers and crypto enthusiasts. So here you can see that here you can find some 3D game ready NFTs, and you can play by game by artist, and you can working like crypto enthusiasts. So what is Lepasa? Lepasa will habitat mythological legendaries crafted with excellence and backed by the power of NFT. So Lepasa is a NFT based project, and their main and strong point is the NFT, and the project built by NFT based. So here you can see that Bitsella is a newspaper, and here you can see the Bitsella's news about this project, mature content. You can show me the artwork. If you want to art there, you can simply show me the artwork and create your art here. So guys, here you can see the Ethereum. All of these are NFTs. Here you can see the Binance. Here you can see the Tronity. They all of are very experienced, very good, expensive, very good NFTs. So guys, here you can see the roadmap of this project. Here you can see that Magicons building ecosystem, legendaries, stacking, union, Lepasa. Here you can see that a mysterious place to habitat Lepasa ecosystem. So their roadmap is very strong. They are planning to launch a mysterious place to habitat their Lepasa ecosystem. So it's a very good thing for this project. Here you can see the some good qualities Polycoin NFT for on Lepasa platform. Here you can see this magical Polycoin. Here you can see the magical Polycoin. Here they told that magical Polygon exclusively created by Lepasa artists by inspired by the rare breeds of gentle penguin. So it's a penguin. It's the bird of penguin, and it's designed and it's created by the members of the Lepasa artists and inspired the penguin, Gento penguin. So guys, it's a very good and good things for this project because they are working for birds. It's a good thing. So here we can see that in many studies their extent was found for more than 38 million years. They are recognized uniquely because of their distinct color and features. It is often used as a symbol of a dream, adaptability, closeness and dual nature. They have a warm and charming personalities and are liked by everyone. So I had the told that 38 million years the birds are existence was found, and they are working for this NFT for the inspiration of the birds, inspiration of the other people, and symbol of a dream, adaptability, closeness and dual nature. So they are working for symbol of a dream, adaptability, closeness and dual nature. So if you want to know stay updated of this project, you can simply upload, put your email here and submit it, and you don't miss any update from here. So guys, if you want to know more about this project, you can simply follow their social media, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook. So guys, what is Lepasa building an ecosystem that will bring everyone who believes in innovation to join the crypto and NFT revolution. So Lepasa is the platform where people believe that crypto and NFT is the future of this future. So here you can see that the world is moving on a witness on unprecedented pace. With Lepasa you can experience all possible opportunities and time. So guys, right now the world is running running like a unprecedented pace. So guys, on Lepasa you can find out all the experience, all the opportunities, and you can run from here. So guys, if you want to know more about this project, you can simply read their white paper. You can check their smart contract also. You can see their contract audit also. So guys, it's the contract address of this project. So they are already on the Etherscan. Here you can see that already they are already on Etherscan, and the Lepasa token will be listing will be very soon, I hope. And they are already in CMC coin market cap, but their token is untracked, but they are planning to soon this listing happen, and that token will be tracked very soon. So guys, Lepasa is a gaming and NFT based project. I hope all of you are bought this token, because this project is looking very bullish in future. They are working for NFTs and gaming. So guys, this project will be good in future. So guys, that's all tonight. Hope everyone you enjoy this video. If you have any queries, you can simply comment here. I'll help you. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you all.